Earthquakes strike because of the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, which creates seismic waves. The primary causes of earthquakes are associated with tectonic plates movement and faults in the Earth's crust. Here are some more details about why earthquakes happen. Plate tectonic. The lithosphere is divided into several large plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath them. These plates interact at their boundaries. There are three main types of plate boundaries. Convergent boundaries. When two plates collide, one can be forced beneath the other in a process called subduction. The subducting plate sinks into the mantle, generating intense pressure and friction that can lead to earthquakes. Divergent boundaries. At divergent boundaries, plates move away from each other, creating gaps where new crust is formed. As the plates separate, magma rises to fill the gap, causing volcanic activity and earthquakes. Transform boundaries. Transform boundaries appear where plates slide past each other and horizontally. The movement of plates along these boundaries can cause significant stress, increase, and sudden release of energy, resulting in earthquakes. Faults. A fault is a fracture of weakness in the crust, where rocks on either side have moved relative to each other. When stress develops along a fault line, it eventually goes beyond the strength of the rocks, causing them to break and slip, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. Strike-slip fault. In strike-slip faults, the rocks on either side of the fault move horizontally and slide past each other. Normal faults. Normal faults occur when tensional forces stretch the crust, causing one block of a rock to move downward relative to the other block. These faults are associated with divergent plate boundaries. Reverse and thrust fault. Reverse and thrust fault are caused by compressional forces that squeeze the crust, pushing one block of rock upward and over the other. These faults are associated with convergent plate boundaries. Other causes. While most earthquakes are tectonic in nature, some can also be triggered by other factors, including volcanic activities, human activities such as mining or reservoir-induced seismicity caused by the filling of large reservoirs, and even the movement of glaciers. It's important to note that earthquakes can vary in magnitude, ranging from minor shocks that are slight to human to large-scale earthquakes that can cause significant damage and loss of life.